Hey guys, welcome you all in a new video. In this video, I am going to explain how you can unlock your smartphone's forgotten PIN pattern and password lock without wasting any service center and without need any computer application. And the main thing is that you don't have to pay a single penny to unlock your smartphone, okay? And if you're watching this video, then I am sure your phone has been locked due to forgotten PIN pattern and password lock, and you have tried a lots of video to unlock your smartphone, but still now you're not success to unlock your smartphone. So don't worry at all. The method what I'm going to give you in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely, and this method is also applicable on all the Samsung series, okay? So let's start this method. This method is known as offline unlocking method, okay? So firstly, you will have to switch off your phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network, and for this simply you will have to slide your phone downside. You will get an option of an airplane mode option. Simply you will have to activate this option, and if you're not getting the airplane mode option, you may also eject your SIM card from your smartphone, okay? Okay, now next step is simply you will have to slide up your phone like this, and you will have to click on this emergency call option, and after this your phone's dialing pad will be open in your smartphone, okay? Now I am going to give you a special USSD code which will switch your phones to the master unlocking mode page. It's also known as engineers mode page in the language of our service center, and by this engineers mode page I will unlock your smartphone within 2 minutes. So be with us at the end of this video, and this USSD code is star hash 899 then hash. Now you can see it here, after feeding this number star hash 899 and hash, engineers mode has been activated in my phone display. You can see here you will get a lots of option on this page, but you will have to go with the option of manual test option which is showing at the 4th number. Simply you will have to click on this, okay? Now after this you will again reach to a new page, and the page name is engineers mode page. You will get a 3 type of option on this page, but you don't have to go with any option on this page. Simply you will have to slide your phone right side, and you will have to continue slide your phone until you reach to the option of others. Now you can see here others option has been appeared on my phone display. Now you will get a 5 type of option on this page. You can see here 1 2 3 4 and 5, but you can see here the 4th option is showing here database version, okay? Simply you will have to check here, and you will have to click on this database version 9 times rapidly like this, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9, okay? Now the second step has been done. After this you can see here there is an option of a read write important lock test option at the 2nd number. Simply you will have to click on this, and at the first time when you will click on this it will ask to confirm here, but you don't have to confirm here. Simply you will have to cancel this option. Again at the 2nd time you will have to do the same, cancel this option, and the 3rd time again you will have to cancel this. But at the 4th time when you will click on this read write important lock test option, you will have to go with the OK button, and when you will go with the OK button you will get a pop-up of wrong password option on your phone display. It means your phone's all the forgotten PIN pattern and passwords are on reconstruction mode, okay? But the very last step after this, you will have to follow this last step to unlock your smartphone, so don't skip this. After this simply you will have to slide your phone left side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of device debugging option, okay? You can see here there are lots of options on this page, but you will have to go with the option of sensor self test and calibration option at the 6th number showing here. Simply you will have to click on this, and when you will click on this it will show you 1 option, 2 option or 3 option, and all the option will be showing here operation not started. You can see here. Now you will have to simply start these operations by clicking on these option, and you will have to continue click on these option until you get a single test passed message in green color, okay? So I'm going to click here. You can see with me test has been started but test failed. Next, test has been started, test passed. Now you can see here a single test passed message has been appeared on my phone display. Now after this simply you will have to go with the back button, and you will have to slide your phone right side. Again you will have to reach to the others option. Now you can see here others option has been appeared. Now you can see here there is an option of a key status. Simply you will have to click on this, and when you will click on this, you can see here all the keys is showing here pass. It means your phone has been completely unlocked. Now you don't have to do anything with your smartphone. Simply you will have to check whether your smartphone has been unlocked or not. You will have to simply click on your phone's home button. So I'm going to click on this. You can see here. Now you can see here this smartphone is completely unlocked and all the application which were in my smartphone as it is as in my smartphone. So this trick really works. And if your smartphone unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. And if your smartphone could not unlock with the help of this video, then make us comment which type of issues you are facing. Our team will quick response on your comment with the help of WhatsApp video call. Thank you so much.